Hello, welcome to SPiiKA Savoir. We're here to learn another fun expression. And therefore, if you're ready, si vous êtes prêts, c'est parti. Today's expression is la vache. Yes, la vache. Meaning, holy cow, damn, wow, or blimey. Literally, la vache means the cow, okay? But the expression la vache is an inoffensive or ubiquitous way of expressing surprise, once again, whether good, bad, or neutral. For example, la vache, c'est une bonne nouvelle. Wow, that's good news. Exemple 2. La vache, tu m'as fait peur. Tu m'as fait peur. Holy cow, you stop. Exemple 3. Exemple 3. J'ai laissé mon portefeuille dans le taxi. La vache. I forgot my wallet in the taxi. Damn. This expression has other variations, of course. So either you say la vache or oh la vache or ah la vache. It's an exclamation. So anything you can say before la vache works. Alright? Now, there are some synonyms that could work with this expression based on the context in which you use it. So if it's expressing surprise, you can replace it with an expression like ah bon, okay, which also is used to express surprise, or dis donc. I know you remember this expression. Also used to express surprise. And if you're expressing something like damn, you can use mince as a synonym. Très bien. Maintenant, travaillons la prononciation. Let's work on the pronunciation. La vache. La vache. Oh la vache. Oh la vache. Très bien. Bravo. Don't forget to keep practicing, car c'est en forgeant qu'on devient forgeron. La vache. You've got to go. Au revoir. See you in the next video.